Hello, today I will show you how to change URLs on your Magento web shop. This might be needed if you work with Magento projects and you need to set up your local installation or set up dev server or staging server. You copy database and files from production server to your local or dev or staging installation. Deploy copy database dump to your database, and you need to change URLs so that website will work on your local installation and won't redirect to a live site. Okay, here is what I do. I have prepared some manual and I will show how I do it. So open terminal, SSH to dev server, log into MySQL terminal, type SQL query, select value from core config data, where value like HTTP percentage. Okay, here we can see our URLs which we need to change. Type next SQL query, update core config data, set value. So here we type our new URL, https our dev server URL where value copy old URL. Okay, that's it. Exit from MySQL terminal and execute Magento command to flush cache. That's it. We can open it in browser and see that our dev server works well. Thank you for watching.